Okay, here is our table to size and scale. So 44 inches across, and if the wood yields itself to maybe 48, we can do that. 120 inches long. The posts are set in 6 inches from the edge, 6 inches, 6 inches. These are 5 inches by 5 inches. And the stretcher here, 2 inches wide this way, and then the height of it is, it's kind of tough to see with all the chairs in the way, but it is 4 inches tall this way, and again that's 5 by 5 post, 4-inch thick apron, and this stretcher across here spans to the other side over there. A little tricky to see, but you can see what I'm getting at here. A little bit better view this way. So on the end here, we would have, that chair can't slide in all the way. There's a little design that I think outweighs the ability to slide that chair in all the way, and it depends on the dining room chair size, but this one here is 20 wide, 16 deep. But this front of this would be about 8 inches away from here. So that chair would slide in about halfway underneath of it. And when you're sitting there, the front of the chair is going to be pretty much in line with the edge of the table. But to push these legs closer together, I don't think looks as good, although you can slide the chair in further. That's what I mean by some of the look of it outweighing the ability to slide that chair in all the way. But 10 chairs all the way around. But this is what I have come up with, and you can see the attached estimate. So we can tweak it a little bit, but let me know what you think of this.